Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing good. So today we are going to learn long A sound. Okay, long A sound. ये देखिए मैंने इस तरीके से कार्ड बना लिया है जिसमें दिस इज द स्पेलिंग साउंड स्पेलिंग कार्ड. तो यहाँ पे मैंने जो भी लॉन्ग ए के स्पेलिंग्स हैं वो लिख लिए. अगर आप ऐसा बना लेते हैं तो बच्चे को बहुत इजी फाइंड होता है फाइंड आउट करने के लिए कि ए के लॉन्ग ए के कौन से स्पेलिंग्स हैं. ठीक है, ए आई ब्लैंक ब्लैंक ए वाई ए ब्लैंक ई आई जी एच. So these are all the long A spellings. ठीक है, so we'll start long A at the end of the syllable. syllable जो होता है स्पेलिंग, हम उसको ब्रेक करते हैं, उसको बोलते हैं syllable. अगर वो ब्रेक हो जाता है तो वहां पर जो ए रहता है उसका लॉन्ग साउंड आ जाता है, जैसे टेबल. ओके, यहाँ पे देखिए ब्रेक हो रहा है टेबल, तो यहाँ पे ए का साउंड ए ही आएगा. बेबी, डेटा, अक्सर लोग इसको डाटा बोलते हैं, डाटा नहीं, दिस इज डेटा बिकॉज योर सिलेबल ब्रेक्स एंड दिस ए हैज अ लॉन्ग साउंड. पेपर, ओके, पेपर. टोमेटो, ओके, यहाँ पे भी सिलेबल ब्रेक हो रहा है. पोटेटो, ओके. एप्रन, एकॉन, रेडियो, टेबल, April. Okay, so this has a long sound when it comes at the end of the syllable. Second type है जो मैजिक ई की है, ए ब्लैंक ई है. तो यहाँ पे this A has a long sound because of this E. This E is a magic E and E makes the vowel silent and say its name. So we have this A say its name because of this magic E. Cake, cane, lake, same, wave, shade, cage, base, stage, flake, trade. आप देख रहे हैं सब जगह पर ए का साउंड लॉन्ग ही आ रहा है बिकॉज ऑफ मैजिक ई, बिकॉज मैजिक ई मेक्स द साउंड वॉवेल से इट्स नेम. ठीक है, ये ई को हम लोग नहीं पढ़ते, इसको प्रोनाउंस नहीं करते हैं, बल्कि ई की वजह से जो वॉवेल रहता है उसके पहले का वॉवेल वो उसका नाम बोलता है, यानी ए विल से इट्स लॉन्ग साउंड. द थर्ड टाइप इज ए आई. ये भी ए का ही साउंड प्रोनाउंस करता है एंड इट कम्स एट द मिडल ऑफ द वर्ड. इट ऑलवेज कम्स एट द मिडल ऑफ द वर्ड. रेन, middle and beginning of the word. Aim, sail, train, made, paid, fail, nail, wait, snail, gain, grain. AI sound. Okay, AI sound. अब मैं आपको यहाँ पे बताऊं, यहाँ पे मैंने कुछ छोटे कार्ड्स भी बना दिए हैं. लॉन्ग के साथ एक छोटा कार्ड बना दिया है जहां पे मैं बच्चों को एक स्टार के जरिए बच्चे को समझ में आ जाएगा कि ओके दिस इज द एंड ऑफ द सिलेबल. तो ये ए साउंड है. अगर आप डिक्टेशन ले रहे हैं तो ये कार्ड्स आपको बहुत हेल्पफुल होंगे वाइल टेकिंग डिक्टेशन. सो आप बच्चे को बताएंगे ओके टेबल में विच ए विल कम, द स्टार वाला ए बिकॉज एंड ऑफ द सिलेबल, तो वो जल्दी से ये लिख देंगे. ठीक है, मैजिक ई वाला ए. ठीक है, यहाँ पे मैंने मैजिक ई लिखे लिए मैजिक वन बना दिया है ताकि बच्चे को समझ में आ जाए कि ओके ठीक है, ये जो पिक्चर्स है वो बच्चे याद रखते हैं. ठीक है, देन वी हैव ए आई के लिए मैंने रेन बना दिया है. रेन का साउंड कार्ड है. अब ये बता के ये वर्ड्स कराएंगे हम बच्चे को, ये कार्ड बताकर, ताकि वो ये कार्ड ध्यान में रखे कि ओके दिस ए हैज द rain. The word which comes, the AI which comes in the middle or the beginning of the letter word, so they will remember this card. Okay, तो ये कार्ड बता के हम लोग ये स्पेलिंग्स बच्चे को कराएंगे. रेन, एम, सेल, ट्रेन, मेड. तो while taking dictation, जब बच्चे को डिक्टेशन लेते वक्त हम लोग बोल सकते हैं ओके, डू यू रिमेम्बर द रेन साउंड कार्ड? हाँ, तो दैट ए विल कम इन दिस स्पेलिंग. ठीक है, सो दिस इज द कार्ड ऑफ ए, magic E and A. Okay, the next A is a AY. Okay, AY. So see, this is the card, sound spelling card. मैंने ये बना दी जिसपे डे एक स्पेलिंग लिख दी है जो कि बच्चों को बहुत इजी है, और उसका पिक्चर भी बना दिया है. सो दे विल रिमेम्बर. ओके, इन दिस स्पेलिंग आई हैव टू यूज AY फॉर द स्पेलिंग. ठीक है, AY, डे वाला जो AY है वो यूज करना है. Okay, and this AY always come at the end of the word. Play, pray, day, tray, clay, may, hay, bay, away, today, relay and pay. Okay, तो ये कार्ड बता के आप ये स्पेलिंग्स कराएंगे. बच्चे को हमेशा याद रहेगा कि ओके, इन दिस स्पेलिंग आई हैव टू यूज AY वाला साउंड जो है, साउंड कार्ड है, वो यूज करना है. ठीक है, देन नेक्स्ट वी हैव EI. दिस ऑल्सो साउंड्स A like vein. See, I have drawn a vein, and this card you will show them and make them learn these spellings. Okay, these spellings: vein, rain, hair, there, reindeer, beige. Okay, so ये वेन वाला कार्ड आप बता के उनको कि इन दीज स्पेलिंग्स यू हैव टू यूज दिस EI as a sound. Okay, then next we have EIGH sound, which also known as A, which also sounds A, long A. So I have made this card of 8 number जिसमें EIGH है. तो ये कार्ड बच्चे को याद रहेगा, एंड यू हैव टू टेल देम कि इन दीज स्पेलिंग्स यू हैव टू यूज दिस कार्ड, दिस स्पेलिंग यू हैव टू यूज, लाइक 8, wait, slay, neigh, neighbor. In these spelling you have to use this A, the sound of this A, EIGH, the long A sound. This spelling they have to use for dictation. Okay, then next we have EA as a A. This also sound A, like tear. So this is the sound card, and you have to use them while teaching the sound of EA, like tear. Stake, break, great, bear, tear, wear, pair and swear. So while teaching these spellings you have to use this card as their memory card. They will use as a memory. Okay, I have to use this A in these spellings while taking the dictation. So this makes the dictation very easy for them. Next is EY, which sounds A, long A. EY as a long A. So I have made this card. They word मैंने डाल दिया है. They word they will remember, and whenever they do these spellings, they have to remember. You have to show them कि okay, you have to use EY as a long A in these spellings. Okay, you have to use EY as a long vowel in these spelling. Which are those spellings? They, hey, way, obey, survey. Okay, so they have to use this spelling. Okay, so they will remember. If you show them these cards, picture you will show, and if you use these cards as a teaching aid, they will remember the spelling quickly, and they will make the spelling very quickly, and it will make the spelling easy for them. These are some worksheets which I have prepared, so they will remember the words long A sound. Okay, so in this worksheet they have to circle long A words. First we have done the words, we have revised, we have made these sound cards to make the spelling easy for kids. Now we will take their test, whether they know the long sound, whether they can recognize or not. So in this worksheet, they have to find the long A sound. Okay. So see, this is fan, plane, cave, cap. No. Made, rat, mate, made, mad. No. Rate, rain, day. Yes, this is the long sound. Tap. No. Ate. Yes. May. Yes. Long sound. Bat. No. Made. Yes. Long sound. Vain. Yes. Long sound. Day and acorn. Okay. So this is the one worksheet. The next test, how you will take the test, okay, whether the child knows or not. Circle a long A in sentence. You will give them some sentence and you will ask them to circle the long A in this sentence. We go to lake. She sat on the cake. A tiger is in the cave. We take the map. Okay. So this is the another worksheet. In this, I have jumbled the spellings and they need to write the correct spelling. Okay, like male, rain, lady, year, same, cave, pay, gate, hay, day, and cake. So this way they will find out the spelling and they will write the correct spelling for long A sound. Next is fill in the correct spelling for the long A sound. Here they have to fill the correct spelling, like this is game, this is claim, this is DK, brain, this is sway, holiday. See, this sound always comes at the end. Name, grain, middle, fake, the magic E, middle sound, end sound, middle sound, and this is magic E. So they will remember with these cards, they will remember the spelling and the sound of long A very easily. And this will be helpful in dictation also. Okay, once we have done with the spellings, now I'll tell you how to take the test or the written dictation with them. So for example, I will say table. How many syllables are there? Table. Okay, 2 syllables. The first syllables and with the A sound, so this A has to be long. So table. Which alternate spelling we will use? Only single A. Okay. The second is cake. For example, cake. How many sounds are there? K, A, K. 3 sounds. So for first sound, we'll write C. K, A, K. Okay. 3 sounds are there. So for this spelling, you have to use magic E. Tell them to use magic E. Okay. Magic E. How they will write? K, A. In this blank space, they will write the third sound of K, that is K and E. Okay, cake. Now the next word is rain or aim. For example, aim. So how many sounds are there? A, 2 sounds. And which spelling, alternate spelling they will use? They will use rain card. Okay. Rain card, because this alternate spelling comes in the beginning or at the middle of the word. Okay, beginning and middle of the word. It doesn't come at the end of the word. Okay, A, so we will use this A because it comes in the beginning. A, A, aim. Okay. Now the next spelling is bay. Bay or pay. For example, pay. A, pay. So the A alternate comes at the end. Here the spelling is coming at the end of the word. A. Two words. For per sound we will use P, and A, which A they will use? Yes, they will use the day card because this A comes at the end of the word. A. A. Pay. Okay. Now the next spelling is vain. Vain or there. There. Okay. There. For how many sounds? The, a, r. Three sounds. The, a, r. Three sounds. For the, we'll use th, which makes the only one sound. The. This the has two sounds. The and th. So we'll use th for the, a, r. We have to use vain card. Okay. This spelling. This alternate spelling comes in there. A-I-E-I. There. There. Okay. There. Now the next spelling is wait. W-A-T. Wait. Three sounds. Which card they will use? Which card? 8 card. They have to use this alternate spelling in wait. This A, the long A alternate spelling. A, T. A, T. Wait. Okay. The next is break. Break. 4 sounds. B-R-A-K. Break. B-R-A-K. Break. B-R. Now for A, which card they will use? Yes, they have to use tear card, or ask them to use tear card for this A. This alternate A. Te. Break. Break. B-R-A-K. Break. The next is obey. O-B-A. Obey. O-B-A. Obey. Which card they will use for this A sound? Yes, they will use they card for this spelling. O-B-A. Obey. O-B-A. Obey. Okay. So this way you have to take their practice and make them learn dictation. Initially it will take time, but slowly and gradually they will learn to write the correct spelling with using the long A sound. They will get habitual of which alternate spelling, where they have to use which alternate spelling of long A sound. Okay. If you found this video useful, please give a big thumbs up and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.